Hi! In this video, you will learn how to download, install, and activate the Norton mobile security app on an Android device. If you are using your computer and want to send the instructions to install Norton on your mobile device, open Norton. If you see the My Norton window, go to the Device Security row and click Open. In the Norton product main window, click the Install on Another Device link. Enter a valid email address and click on the arrow button. Open this email on the mobile device where you wish to install Norton and tap Download Now. In the Get Started page, choose Norton Mobile Security and then tap Next. Tap on the Google Play button, where you will be redirected to the Google Play Store. Tap Install. After installation, tap Open. Read the agreements and accept them by selecting the checkboxes. Tap Continue. Tap Sign In. Sign in using your Norton account credentials. Once the initial setup completes, you can now see the subscription status next to your login name. Now that you've installed the app, let's set it up so that you can maximize your mobile protection. You need to enable Norton Security Service and allow notifications to set up the premium features like anti-malware and web protection. Open the settings on your device and then tap Accessibility. Tap Norton Security Service. Move the slider to turn it on. Read and understand the information displayed and then tap Allow. That's it. Once done, you are all set. The Norton Mobile Security app is now downloaded, installed, and activated with premium features, helping to protect you against viruses and other online threats. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Norton LifeLock for your security needs. For more information, please visit our support website at support.norton.com.